It's Christmas and
you notice they're doing
the
it
holidays
inside.
and Hanukkah. It's everything. Hanukkah, it's all the things, Bets. And of course, weather goes along with that.
Of course. I mean, nothing says Christmas like a rainy day here in Northeast Ohio with a temperature right around 40 degrees, which is what we've had today. Last night, however, I got to tell you, I was humming Christmas carols. It just kind of goes part and parcel with this time of the year. We still have our weather impact alert through the rest of today. We'll kind of let it just drop off for tomorrow because I think things will be improving through the day tomorrow. That is some good news. We've seen a low cloud deck come over downtown Cleveland. Our temperature is at 45, and when you see the camera shaking, that's a gust of wind. We've been clocking wind gusts over 35 miles per hour from time to time downtown. We're going to hold here in the upper 40s as we get through the rest of the evening. Rain continues to be likely. Man, that's a good wind gust coming through. Even at midnight, we're talking about more rain coming down. And these are just going to be scattered showers that will be with us. As far as those wind gusts, peak wind gusts downtown Cleveland, 45 miles per hour. Elsewhere, we've had 30 plus, except for Mansfield, where they've had a little bit slower wind speeds. But there's our current wind gusts, 33 mile per hour gust in Elyria. You can see downtown Cleveland still highlighted there in the purple. That's where we're going 35 to 40 plus mile per hour gusts. We're seeing streamers coming in off of the lake. These are lake effect bands of rain that are just continuing to pump the rain in. Meanwhile, we've had kind of just this swath of moderate to at times heavy rain that is complicating things on the roads, especially. Visibility has been just awful through the day today. We're on the backside of the low pressure system. Remember yesterday we were talking about two different lobes. We had a big batch of snow that came through Indiana and southwest Ohio. That has now been absorbed into a much stronger system that is sitting in New York State. This is going to hold here, and then through the day tomorrow it finally starts to work its way to the east, and as it does so, it will be taking our rain with it. But for now, we're still dealing with the backside of that with that northwest wind and, yes, the lake effect. The cold air, though, thankfully has moved east, and that's why we had the transition from the snow over to the rain in the overnight hours. National Designer hour-by-hour forecast continues to keep it windy tonight, and notice how our rain showers start to kind of back off in the coverage. We're going to focus it more into the traditional snow belt area by the start of the day tomorrow. Farther west, cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 40s to get your day going. We'll see all of the rain backing off as we get late morning into the afternoon. Now, I think it's still going to be a lot of cloud cover. I think we're still going to have some patchy, misty drizzle at times, some sprinkles, but by and large, conditions will be improving through the day. Even the wind gusts are going to start to come down too. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast, and you can't help but see that we're on the warm side of the forecast for the next few days. Temperatures upper 40s into the 50s. More rain comes in on Monday. That is the first in another series of storm systems that'll be working through the Ohio Valley. That could complicate Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and the weekend after Thanksgiving. So we're keeping a close eye on that next possible storm system. News at 4 will return in a moment.